Mga pinagsisihan ko during review for PNLE. Hi everyone, I'm Nurse Carla and I recently passed the Philippine Nursing Licensure Exam. And eto yung mga ginawa ko during review season for the boards na hindi mo dapat gawin. Number 1, nagpuyat ako kaka-review. Akala ko kasi pag nagpupuyat ka, mas madami kang maaaral. Yun pala, mas wala kang focus kasi inaantok ka. So parang useless din na nag-aaral ka, tas the next day, lutang ka pa, di ba? Kaya if you're someone who's studying for boards, it's very important na magpahinga ka din at matulog sa tamang oras para more knowledge for the next day. Pangalawa, kinain ako ng overthinking during review season. Lagi ko talagang tinatanong yung sarili ko during review if tama ba to? Tama ba yung ginagawa ko? What if mali yung sagot ko? Tapos, papalitan ko yung sagot ko. And it turns out, yung unang sagot ko, yun pala yung tamang sagot. Lesson learned, pag hindi ka sure sa ipapalit mong sagot, huwag mo nang palitan. Kasi usually, yung una mong sagot, yun pala yung tamang sagot, pinalitan mo pa. Kaya, it's important to trust your instinct din. And also trust yourself. Last but not the least, hindi ako nagseryoso sa basic. As someone who took the board exam, hindi ko sinasabi na sobrang dali ng board exam at hindi din siya sobrang hirap. Kaya ako nagsisi na hindi ako nag-aral masyado ng basics kasi mas kino-complicate ko pa yung pag-review ko. Mas nag-focus ako sa mga complicated kaysa naman mag-focus sa basics. And if may isang tip ako na mabibigay is that to focus on practice questions. As in, practice questions. And during review season, ginamit ko talaga si NLE-PH para sa mga practice questions. Actually, hindi lang practice questions, meron din mga mock exams. And meron siyang from NP1 to NP5. So, complete na talaga. Plus, updated pa yung mga practice questions. And yan lang muna yung tip ko for tonight. If you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment section. And good luck, future nurses!